Hello. Today I will tell you about a tool that has the potential to completely change the world of recruitment. This is more than just tech. This is a true revolution, a solution that will transform how you hire forever. Let's start with the biggest pain points in traditional recruiting. First, time. Manually screening hundreds, even thousands of CVs is exhausting and takes forever. We're talking weeks or months, while your best candidates get snatched up by competitors. Manual candidate communication is just as bad, slow, prone to errors, and recruiters drown in applications. Second, quality of decisions. No objectivity. Every recruiter uses different criteria. Result? Inconsistent candidate evaluation. Without data-driven insights, you miss top talent. Candidates who don't fit one role rarely get redirected to another. And creating reports? Another headache. Third, costs. Manual recruiting is expensive. Countless hours, big teams, multiple tools, and costly hiring mistakes. Data gets scattered, stress builds up, and quality suffers. Fourth, flexibility. Recruiters cannot personalize at scale, killing candidate engagement, tracking progress, schedules, and channel performance. Nearly impossible. Now imagine solving all these problems with one tool. Meet AI Power Recruiter, an AI-powered system that automates virtually every recruiting task. It scans applications, scores them against your criteria, ranks candidates all in seconds. Plus, AI-driven forms capture key candidate data, skills, motivations, availability. Before you even pick up the phone, the system has already assessed soft skills, experience, capabilities, and engagement level. Even better, AI Power Recruiter handles all communication. Thank you notes, forms, invites, reminders, all automated. Candidates get instant professional responses while you save time and boost your employer brand. Let's look at real numbers and see modern recruiting in action. Compare traditional methods with AI using a simple example. Processing 100 applications. The difference is stunning. For basic screening, recruiters spend about 2.5 minutes per CV. For 100 candidates, that's over 4 hours of work. AI Power Recruiter? Just seconds per CV. The entire process takes just over 8 minutes. The difference? Over 4 hours freed up for more valuable activities. The biggest contrast comes with in-depth analysis, where recruiters assess technical skills, soft skills, culture fit, and growth potential. Manual deep dive per CV takes about 38 minutes. Processing 100 applications would require over 63 hours. AI Power Recruiter still needs just minutes per candidate for full analysis. The entire process? Just over 3 hours. The savings? 60 hours. That's 1.5 weeks you can immediately devote to building relationships with top candidates, while your competition is still reviewing applications. This is not improvement. This is revolution. Before trusting any AI system, one question matters. Is it safe, transparent, and legally compliant? Yes, AI Power Recruiter is a solution created according to the highest standards set by the EU AI Act regulation. And what exactly is the AI Act? It's the world's first comprehensive AI law adopted by the EU in 2024. Which for pure AI systems like ours takes full effect in mid-2026. The AI Act defines responsible AI use and classifies tools by risk level, setting strict rules for systems that impact people's lives, rights, and futures. AI Power Recruiter is classified as high risk. This means we meet the EU's highest standards for quality and compliance. This isn't just paperwork, it's our commitment to the highest standards of safety, accountability, and transparency. Why high risk? Because we make decisions that impact careers, like who gets interviewed and who doesn't. This means meeting strict standards for transparency, fairness, auditability, data protection, and bias prevention. AI Power Recruiter implements these principles in every aspect of its operation. We use clear predefined criteria, no black box decisions, full process transparency, and clear documentation showing why each candidate advanced or didn't. Plus, our architecture uses explainable AI. Every decision can be justified and verified. The system operates based on AI Act guidelines, supporting fair and transparent recruitment. Candidates are judged purely on merit and objective criteria. Choose AI Power Recruiter, and your company uses a tool that considers current EU regulations, reduces legal risks, and implements GDPR and AI Act data protection. Implementing AI recruiting is a big step. Make sure you choose technology that puts people and their rights first. That's exactly how we built AI Power Recruiter. If you're a recruiter, HR professional, or hiring manager, you've probably wondered, will artificial intelligence like AI Power Recruiter replace me? That fear is natural. Every tech revolution creates anxiety. Look, artificial intelligence changes the game, but not to replace you, to empower you. Let's be honest about what recruiters hate: mindless, repetitive tasks, like screening thousands of applications, comparing dates, hunting keywords, sending that same email for the 100th time. That's not what makes you valuable. These are exactly the tasks AI should handle, because your real value starts where automation ends: in conversations, building relationships, understanding business needs and culture, judging not just paper fit, but team fit. Artificial intelligence will never replace your empathy, intuition, experience, or ability to read people. Don't fear it. Use it as your superpower. Imagine never screening thousands of CVs again. You get a curated shortlist in minutes. No more mass emailing, the system handles personalized outreach, and you focus on what truly matters: quality over quantity. Artificial intelligence doesn't replace recruiters. AI unleashes recruiter potential. It allows them to do less admin and more work that brings satisfaction. What kind of work? Strategic, creative, interpersonal, the work that truly matters. In companies using AI Power Recruiter, the recruiter role evolves but thrives. You become more influential, more strategic, and most importantly, more human. So don't fear artificial intelligence taking your job. The real threat? Someone else using AI to recruit faster and better than you. Don't let technology leave you behind. Make it your ally and squeeze every advantage from it. Thanks for listening. To discover how AI Power Recruiter can work with you, not instead of you, let's talk.